Hey YouTube, finally on release day this time, the iPhone 16 Pro Max 512 in Natural Titanium. Look at that. The box looks nice. Here's the back of it. Let's get this thing open. Do a quick unboxing of the new iPhone. So excited. Right now I'm on the Z Fold 6, so it's going to be nice to go back to Apple. Let's see what we've got here. Peel the back. Peel the back. Just covering up the numbers there. Pretty easy. Nice. As you can see, my Garmin Fenix 8. Really loving Garmin. I left the Apple Watch. Actually, I sold it, so I really left it. And now I've been sporting the Fenix 8, and I absolutely love it. Alright, let's take a look at the phone. Ooh, look at that natural titanium. Oh, I love that color, man. That is my favorite color. So excited for it. Let's move this to the side. Oh, a nice USB-C to USB-C. And a nice way to open this too, I see. Usually I have to rip it open. I'll probably still have to rip it open for where those are. Oh, nope, that pops out. Oh, nice, look at that. Let's see, there it comes out. Wow, we can take this cable out without even ripping this. Probably always could do that, I just finally took the time to. Nice braided design. I love that USB-C to USB-C. Nice solid cable. Alright, move that. Let's see, here's your paperwork. There are no Apple stickers in it anymore. Nope, no Apple stickers. That's the end of that. Take a look at the top of the box. They got the little camera spot for how it went when it was in the box. Other than that, that is all there is in the box. Move that to the side. And look at that. God, that thing looks good. Oh, it's a little shinier for the natural titanium this year. So has the action button, your volume rockers, antenna band, antenna band, antenna band. Oh, look at that, the camera button. Oh, it's a physical button too. I didn't know if it'd be haptic or physical, but it's a physical button. Your power button, USB-C, your microphone, your speaker grills and microphones. The microphones are just in there. All right, peel the top. God, look at that thing. Beautiful. See if it powers on. There we go. Just want to show you the bezels so you can see what the 6.9 inch screen is. It's supposed to be in the same size phone pretty much, but 0.2 inch bigger screen. So the smallest bezels ever. So let's see. Oh wow, those bezels are thin. Look at that. Those bezels are thin. Wow. Alright, that is the quick unboxing of my natural titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks.